What's up, guys? So what are we going to do today? We're going to mine Dogecoin, right? So Dogecoin mine is one of the greatest coins you can find that is coming after Bitcoin and all these other cool coins, right? So Dogecoin has been growing in a very high rate right now. So there's a way you can make Dogecoin, which is called mining, right? So there's a lot of stuff they say you can mine and what, but I just found this one is called unmineable, right? Unmineable. So I'm going to leave a referral for it on the description on this, so you can just click onto it and then you can just go on to the, and then we can start mining. So we have to just read a little bit. Mine your favorite non-mineable crypto assets, right? Our automated system takes care of all the exchanging and transferring to deliver a seamless experience for POW miners. You mine and receive your coin directly in the asset of your choice. To get started, you select your own coin and configure your ring to point to any of your pools. So that's gonna say happy mining right there. So what you going to do when you mine this thing, right? What you have to do, so what you do, you go on to here, right? Let me just remove this annoying thing. All right, so you just have to click what you want to mine. So we want to mine Doge, right? So here we are on Dogecoin. So to start mining Dogecoin, just point your miner to one of your tools below. You can use any of our support algorithms. You can check your balance and last payment over here, right? Also take a look at out of your support centers if you need help or run into any issues. So happy mining right there. Your Doge address, so you're going to put your Doge address here. And so what you have to do, first of all, you have to have a wallet, like your wallet shall like okay, so I'm gonna show you my wallet right now. Okay, I will just have to do this at the other time, and then so you guys can actually, I can just show you when it's all done. But for now, all you have to do, you just have to go on to this unmineable, and then you can start. You can just even download can download this software and then you put it on your computer. But what you can first do, the most important, is to have a wallet. The wallet you're going to create, and then you get the address, and then you're going to paste it here, and then you address your worker's name, you don't know. So all of this stuff you have to get there, and then you're gonna get your referral code here, which other people, if they sign up with your referral code, you're going to get paid in Dogecoin. Right, so that's it, guys, for this one. I just wanted to introduce you on this one, and then I will actually mine this, and then I will come back and actually show you how it actually works. So all you can do, you can just go on and just read on to this, and then you can just get to see how much you can actually make on this, right? So okay, thanks guys for watching, and then I will see you on the next one, which is going to be actually we're gonna have to actually see me with mining with this thing. I don't know how it's going to work. It's just something I am trying to do, because buying, if you can just mine it and then get Dogecoin, right? why would you not do it? So I'll see you on the next one, guys. Ciao ciao.